Good afternoon. My name is Jean-François Gagne and I'm a management professor in France, in Paris. I teach mainly in two business schools. The first one is called Institut Supérieur de Gestion. It's a French private business school. And the other one is a management university in Paris. It's called Dauphine University. When I say management, I teach mainly strategy, project management and human resources. The first time I was in connection with the USCS in Skopje, that was last July 2010, and I was with 5 other professors from Dauphine. We were just having an exchange of students, of 100 students from Dauphine in master, in apprenticeship, and these students were making some research previously before coming in to Skopje, and then they made a 1 week of hard work in Skopje to make research divided by teams on several political and economic subjects. And for me, this was my first connection with the USCS and with Macedonia. I really appreciate everything in Macedonia, and especially in Skopje, and so I had the opportunity to come back later, 3 months later, as a visiting professor. And I started to teach strategy courses in MBA at the USCS in Skopje. And so I have the opportunity to come probably twice a year in Skopje to teach strategy with students. Usually it's a 25 to 30 group of students. It's a strategy course designed to explain and teach with them the strategic analysis process. And we discuss with business case on examples from Monday to Thursday, and then Friday and Saturday we work on a team business case. So we split the group between subgroups, and they work on making competitive analysis and presentation on Saturday. So by doing this, we are using the main teaching methods like teamwork, assessment by the others, and so on. This is what I do usually when I come to Skopje to teach strategy. As students, or maybe future students from the USCS, you have the opportunity to benefit from the cooperation agreement that the USCS has signed with Dauphine University in France. This agreement was signed last year, and it has at least two different objectives. And the first one is to provide an exchange of professors. That's what we call visiting professors, and professors from Dauphine can come for a week, like me, to teach, or maybe a professor from the USCS can go to Dauphine University and teach for 1 week as well. And the other objective of this cooperation agreement is dealing with the students, an exchange of students, and we expect that in the future we'll be able to start this exchange of students, either students from Dauphine coming here to make some studies, or students from the USCS going to Paris and Dauphine University to start part of the semester in learning in France and in French. The thing that is really striking me is the quality of the management. It's not only based on what the top management is doing, it's based on what all the people in terms of management, the managers and mid-managers at the USCS are doing. I come probably every 6 months, and I see when I come every 6 months the work in progress and the improvement in terms of making different things, taking initiatives, making some marketing initiatives, and changing programs of teaching. And I think it really demonstrates for me that many things are going on, or in progress, or improving at the USCS, and I think it's a very, very good sign in terms of quality of making things and engaging many things for such an educational organization like the USCS. So I'm very pleased to be a part of the USCS. The kind of message I would send to the students, maybe the future students for the USCS, and I do think the quality of the students, and I've been more involved with the MBA students and the people working than the undergraduate, but the quality of the students and also the quality of the let's say the educational team and administrative team and the team of professor is very, very very good team and making a very good quality. So it's really the message I would send to these students or future students is that there is a high quality of education at the USCS, and I do think it's a very good choice for you as students or future students to join the USCS.